In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Shopify 120-day free trial. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. This is the official Shopify website, so it is the safest place to start your trial and set up your store. Once the page loads, you will see an option to start a free trial. Enter your email address in the email field, then click the button that says Start Free Trial. Use an email address you can access, because Shopify may send you important setup messages and confirmations during the sign-up process. Next, you will create your account. Follow the prompts on screen and set your login details. Choose a strong password that you will remember and keep it stored securely. Take your time here because this account will control your store settings, products, and billing. After your account is created, Shopify will guide you into the setup flow. When you reach the plan and billing options, select the monthly billing cycle. This is important because the $1 per month promo typically applies to monthly plans rather than annual billing. Even if you see other options, stay with monthly so you align with the promotion structure. At this point, you may also see an option to skip parts of the setup. Go ahead and click skip if it appears, so you can focus on creating your store first. You can always return later to fine-tune details like payments, shipping, and taxes. Now move into your Shopify admin area. From there, go to Online Store. This is where you will start shaping what customers will see. Continue through the prompts to create or confirm your store name. Keep the name simple and clear, and make sure it matches your brand idea. You can adjust themes and design later, but getting the store created is the key milestone. Finally, be aware of how the promotion charges work. You will be charged $1 immediately for your first month. Then you will be billed $1 for the second month and $1 for the third month. After that promotional period ends, your plan will revert to the standard price, which is currently around $39 per month for the basic plan. Make a note of that date so you can decide whether to continue, upgrade, or cancel before regular pricing begins. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.